Hello guys, and welcome to our third ePhones TV video. Today we have something a little different from the ones before. It is another phone video, but it is different because this phone is not yet released. So we have here the Xiaomi Note AT phone. It's been rumored for a while now, set to release in November of this year, but hasn't hit retailers yet. We will probably be getting our hands on this before Christmas, so keep an eye out for that. Maybe subscribe to our mailing list if you want to keep up the updates. So what we're going to do is quickly just do a little overview of the phone, talk through the specs and features of this phone, and basically just go over some of it. So yeah, it's an 80.2% screen to body ratio, so that means that the screen makes up 80.2% of this side of the phone. See, it would be more, but the actual phone actually is a chin, if you notice here where it says Redmi. When you first pick up the phone, you will notice that it weighs significantly more than what you expect it to. It has a proper weight to it and a sort of quality feel. It's 200 grams, and that is due to the ginormous battery that it has. This is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which is an incredible size for a phone of this price. Basically, that's going to last you pretty much for as long as you want it to. You won't really need to worry about charging this very often. And then straight away, one of the defining features you will notice is this quad camera on the back here. For $149.99, you will not find a better camera. So it shoots at 2160p at 30 FPS or 1080p at 30, 60 and 120 FPS. You're looking at an incredible camera. So you've got this 48 megapixels, this one's 8, and these are two megapixel depth cameras to get that quality shot. It also features the AI camera, you can notice here. That is so it identifies different things such as faces or plants, and it will adapt the camera according to that, so you can take a better shot when you take a photo. On the back here, it also has your fingerprint sensor. That's how you unlock the phone. You just simply put your finger on and it will unlock. You will also be able to see, as this is more of a sample phone, you'll see it has these stickers on here. Unfortunately we couldn't take these off, but on the stickers you'll see that it is a dual nano SIM phone, and it also has the room for a micro SD card to be inserted into it, so you'll be able to upgrade your storage. This one is 128 gigabytes, but with the micro SD you can install up to 256 more gigabytes, basically have a ginormous memory size. It also has a 4 gigabyte RAM and the 128 gigabyte memory, so you won't run out of space, and it is pretty much perfect for gaming, especially as the processor is the Snapdragon 665. It comes in 3 different colors. This is the moon shadow gray color. It's not quite black. It is that really dark gray. You can see some of my fingerprints are on there. As with a lot of these Xiaomi phones, the glass finish gives an incredible color, and you sort of see different sort of reflections as it goes through the glass. So that's a few of the specs of the phone. We're just going to power it on, start it up, and have a look what's inside. So here we are on the unlock screen of the Xiaomi Mi 8T. So if we just click this, swipe up, we've set this to the limitless theme. There is 2 different themes you can choose from. You can see the display is pretty big. This is a 6.3 inch screen. Obviously, as I previously said, that is an 80.2% screen to body ratio. You can see it has this chin here. That's just down to the processor. It has to have that bit at the bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch on that camera. You can see all the different settings that the camera has. It has this 48 megapixel setting, portrait, night, panorama, pro, video settings, your short video settings, and a slow motion setting. So that's basically taking advantage of all those different options and the quad camera on the back. This Xiaomi 8T actually features the loudspeaker. What you can see up here is it has a speaker sort of bar across here, and on the bottom it has a speaker here. Another part of this phone is that the screen is actually Gorilla Glass 5, so you will struggle to break the screen. So the Xiaomi Mi 8T runs on Android 9.0 and the Xiaomi Mi UI 10. You can see some of the signature apps like the Mi Video, and you have obviously all your tools in here. It just looks really clean, basically. So yeah, that's about it on this phone. Some of the other features, some of the smaller ones, is this phone has an NFC chip, so you can do your Google Pay. It has the Android Type-C and a headphone jack, which is a small thing, but it does actually have it. We'll wrap up this video now. As I said at the beginning of the video, this will be available before Christmas on ePhones ePhones.com. It comes in Star Scrape Blue, Moonlight White, and this color, which is Moon Shadow Gray. It also comes in different gigabyte sizes. This is the 128 gigabyte version. This one will be listed for $149.99 on ePhones.com, which is an incredible price for this phone, really. You get some of the highest specs of a modern smartphone that I've seen. And thank you very much for watching our third ePhones TV video. Make sure to subscribe if you liked this. I know this was less of an unboxing because we didn't actually have a box, as this is a sample version of the phone. But I hope you enjoyed anyway. I just went through a few of the specs. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If there's any improvements or any differences that you think we should do in the video, make sure to comment them down below. I'll leave a link to ePhones down below. Make sure to sign up to our newsletter to get updates on when this phone will be on the store and for any future December deal. Again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.